Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we are going to solve remaining section of Olympiad IMO 2020 paper for class 3. Please watch part 1 video for first two sections. Link is given in description. Please watch video and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Now we start with third section everyday mathematics. Question number 21. Riya has 8 clay balls and 12 toothpicks. She make a shape having 6 faces. Which of the following shapes she made? In given option A, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 toothpicks. In option B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 toothpicks. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 clay balls. And there are 4 side face and up and down 2 face. So there are total 6 face. So she made figure 2. B is the correct answer. Question number 22. There are 9,785 people in a party. Out of these, 3,245 are male and 1,878 are females. And rest are children. Then how many children are there in party? So we first calculate the total number of male and female. There are 3,245 male and 1,878 females, and total of male and female is addition of this. So total number of male and female is 5,123, and total people in the party are 9,785 minus total number of male and female 5,123. So we will get the total number of children present in the party. 5 minus 3 2, 8 minus 2 6, 7 minus 1 6, 9 minus 5 4. So there are 4,662 children are in the party. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 23. Garvi drinks given glass of water every day. How many glasses of water will he drink in the 3 weeks? In the figure showing, there are 12 glasses. He drinks 12 glasses of water every day. How many days in 1 week? There are 7 days in 1 week. So in 3 weeks, there are 21 days. So to calculate the glass of water in 21 days, we multiply 21 into 12. 12 ones are 12. 1 carry over. 12 twos are 24 and 1 25. So he will drink 252 glass of water in 3 weeks. C is the right answer. Question number 24. Lady buys 2 packets of flour as shown. If she used 2 kg 875 gram flour to bake a cake, then how much flour is left with her? She buys 3 kg and 50 grams. So we convert it into grams. It will be 3050 grams. And she buys 2 packets of this. So we add 1 more packet. Then total she will having 6,100 gram. Out of 6,100 gram, she used 2,875 gram. So we subtract it from total amount. So 3,225 gram is remaining with her. So we convert it into 3 kg and 225 grams. So D is the correct answer. Question number 25. A cake was divided into 12 equal parts. Kritika ate 3 by 12 of the cake and Arun ate 5 by 12 of the cake. What the fraction of cake was left? Out of 12 part, Kritika ate 3 part and Arun ate 5 part. So total of it 8 part. So out of 12, 8 part eaten by Kritika and Arun. So how much remaining? 12 minus 8, 4. 4 by 12 is remaining. Question number 26. Kanika has 75 cookies. If she put them equally in given boxes, then how many cookies are left with her? Total there are 9 boxes. So to calculate the number of cookies in one box, we divide 75 by 9. 9 8s are 72. 3 cookies remaining. So if she put 8 cookies in the box, then 3 cookies are left with her. So A is the correct answer. Question number 27. Aman bought 5 shirts at 899 rupees each. How much amount did he pay in all? Here one shirt is for 899. So cost of 5 shirt will be 899 into 5. 5 9s are 45. 4 carry over. 5 9s are 45 and 4 49. 4 carry over. 5 8s are 40. 40 and 4 44. Cost of 5 shirt is 4495. B is correct answer. Question number 28. Monica puts exactly 4 stones in each of the vessels shown. How many stones she has used in all? There are 12 jars total. In each jar she put 4. So in all jar we multiply 12 into 4 is 48. So she used 48 stone. D is correct answer. Question number 29. On Monday, 2476 cars crossed the toll. On Tuesday, 3298 cars crossed the toll and 1947 cars crossed the toll on Wednesday. How many total cars crossed the toll in these 3 days? We add this all cars. So we will get the total number of cars cross the toll in 3 days. So 2476 plus 3298 plus 1947. So here 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. So I write here 2 carry over. 2 plus 7 9. 9 plus 9 18. 18 plus 4 22. 2 carry over. 2 plus 4 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 9 17. 1 carry over. And 1 plus 2 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7. So total 7721 cars crossed the toll in 3 days. B is the right answer. Question number 30. The temperature in Srinagar is 18 degree less than the temperature shown in the given thermometer. Find the temperature in Srinagar. Thermometer showing 35 degrees Celsius. And Srinagar temperature is less than 18. So we subtract 18 from the given temperature. Is 17. So temperature of Srinagar is 17 degrees Celsius. B is the correct answer. Next section is achiever section. In this section each question is of 2 marks. Question number 31. Find the value of P, Q, R respectively. Now here given P13 into 1Q. Now 3 into what is 1 at 1's place. 3 into 7 is 21. Here 1 is at 1's place. So 2 carry over. Q is 7. 7 1s are 7 and 2 9. 7 into what gives 28? 7 into 4. Then again here 0. Then 1 into 3 3. 1 into 1 1 and 1 into 4 4. 1 plus 0 is 1. 9 plus 3 is 1 carry over. 8 plus 1 is 10. 1 carry over. 2 plus 4 6 and 1 7. So here P is equal to 4, Q is equal to 7 and R is equal to 1. So C is a correct answer. Question number 32. Niharika bought 2 bunches of banana, 3 boxes of cookies and 4 baskets of strawberries. What is the total weight of items she brought? Now we first convert into grams. 1 kg 25 gram means 1025 grams. 975 gram 975 and 1 kg and 1075 grams. So strawberry 4 baskets are there, means into 4. 4 5s are 20, 2 carry over, 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10, 1 carry over, 4 into 0 0 plus 1 1, 4 into 1 4. Then banana 2 bunch means into 2. 2 5s are 10, 1 carry over, 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15, 1 carry over and 2 9s are 18, 18 plus 1 19. And this 3 box means into 3. 3 5s are 15, 1 carry over, 3 7s are 21 and 1 22. Here 2 carry over, 2, 3 into 0, 0 and 2 2 and 3 1s are 3. And total weight means addition of these all. Here 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 2 7, 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 2 12, 1 carry over, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 9. So total weight is 9 kg 275 grams. So C is the correct answer. Question number 33. Identify the number using the given clues. First clue is it is an even number. Second clue is the digit at tens place is the largest odd number. Amongst 1 to 9, which number is largest odd number? 9. The digit at 100 place is a remainder obtained when 56 is divided by 7. When we 56 divided by 7, 7 8s are 56. Then what is remainder? 0. Then the 0 is at 100 place. Last clue is the digit at 10 place is twice the digit at 1000 place. Means digit at 10's place is 3 times more than the 1000 place digit. Then what will come here? 3. 3 3s are 9. Option A is 3094 and here 4 is a even number. So A is the correct answer. The given graph shows the number of pages read by 5 boys on a particular day. Study the graph carefully and answer the following question. Graph showing Nakul reads the 16 pages, Ayush read 8 pages, Dev 24, Arav 20, and Manav 12. Question 1. How many less page Manav read than Nukul and Dev together read? Nukul 16 and Dev 24, and total of this is 40. And Manan read 12 page, means minus 12 will give the less pages. Manav read 10 minus 2 8 and 3 minus 1 2, 28. B. Ayush and Dash read 28 pages together. 28 page together. Ayush 8 means 28 minus 8 20. So who read 20 pages? Arav. So here Ayush and Arav. So D is right answer here. Question number 35. 4 girls, Alia, Palak, Divya and Ekta, each having ₹1000, went on shopping. If they brought the following items, then which girl has maximum amount left after the shopping? The total amount spent by Alia is addition of this. 9 plus 0 plus 0 is 9. Then 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 5 19. 1 carry over. And 4 plus 1 5 plus 2 7 plus 2 9. So out of 1000 she spent 999. And Palak 5 plus 5 0. 1 carry over. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 2 12. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 4 9. So 920. Out of 1000 she spent 920. Now Divya 65, 510 and 333. I write 65 here for correct arrangement for addition. So 5 plus 3 8. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 3 10. 1 carry over. 5 plus 3 8 and 1 9. 908. She spent 908 rupees. And Ekta 5 plus 9 14. 14 plus 8 22. 2 carry over. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 9 19. 19 plus 2 21. 2. 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 3 9. So she spent 912 rupees. Who spent less money? Divya. So she has maximum amount left after shopping. So Divya is correct answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.